Hey there! Today we're going to look at how you can connect Excel to N8N for data automation. So let's get started. First, make sure you have your Excel file ready, either on your local server or on OneDrive. Over here, let's start with the local file method, so place your Excel file in a folder that N8N can access. Then, open N8N and click on Add Node. After that, search for Read Binary File and select it. Now, set the operation to Read File and enter the full file path of your Excel file. Over here, make sure the path is correct so N8N can access it properly. Then add another node called Spreadsheet File. After that, set it to Read from File so it can process your Excel data. Now, connect both nodes to create your workflow. Then, click on Execute to run it, and you'll see your Excel data converted into JSON. Over here, let's move to the second method using OneDrive. Click on Add Node again, and search for Microsoft OneDrive. After that, select File as the resource and Get File as the operation. Now, connect your Microsoft account and sign in when prompted. Over here, select your Excel file from your OneDrive storage. Then add a spreadsheet file node again and set it to Read from File. After that, set the binary property to Data and choose Excel format. Now connect the nodes and click Execute to run the workflow. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.